How to stop sugar cravings naturally. Many people have sugar cravings on a daily basis. One of the primary reasons why sticking to a balanced diet may be so difficult, according to health experts, is because of this. Cravings are fueled by your brain's desire for a reward, not by your body's hunger. If you can only eat one mouthful and stop there, indulging a little while for your hungry is perfectly acceptable. Giving in to your desires is the worst thing you can do if you tend to binge and overeat as soon as you get a taste of sweet foods. Here are 11 simple ideas to stop your sugar cravings. 1. Drink a full glass of water. Dehydration, according to some, can create cravings. 2. Take a bite of fruit. For some people, eating a slice of fruit might help them fulfill their sugar cravings. Bananas, apples, and oranges are excellent choices. 3. Artificial sweeteners should be avoided. If artificial sweeteners make you crave anything, you should stay away from them. 4. Increase your protein intake. Protein promotes fullness and may also assist with cravings. 5. Make a phone call to a friend. Call or meet with someone who knows your situation. Explain that you're experiencing a hunger and ask for some encouraging comments. 6. Good night's rest. Getting enough restful sleep is beneficial to one's overall health and may assist to curb cravings. 7. Excessive tension should be avoided. Avoiding stress, like getting enough sleep, might help you avoid cravings. 8. Certain triggers should be avoided. Avoid activities or locations that trigger cravings, such as strolling by a McDonald's. 9. Invest in a multivitamin. This will aid in the prevention of any inadequacies. 10. Look over your list. Carrying a list of the reasons you want to eat healthy may be quite beneficial, as it can be difficult to recall such things when you have a hunger. 11. Don't deprive yourself of food. Attempt to avoid being very hungry in between meals. If you can consume junk food sometimes without overeating and jeopardizing your progress, go for it. That suggests you're one of the fortunate ones who can indulge in these temptations in moderation. However, if you just cannot control yourself around such meals, try to stay away from them as much as possible. Giving in to a need can only make the problem worse. If you can fight the urges long enough, they will weaken and finally disappear. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get